Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee L battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and your new battery. The battery is conveniently located under the front passenger seat, so you'll need to lift the carpet to access it. Let's get started. Now let's disconnect the old battery safely. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first, marked with a minus sign. Gently remove the cable and ensure it doesn't touch any metal. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in its tray. This prepares the old battery for removal. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. Be mindful that batteries are quite heavy, so lift with care. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using your wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated correctly. Reattach and tighten the battery hold-down clamp firmly. This prevents any shifting while driving. For the final steps, we'll reconnect the new battery. Always connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening the nut securely with your 10mm wrench. Then, attach the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that nut as well. Give all connections a gentle tug to ensure they are firm. Replace the carpet over the battery compartment. You've successfully changed your battery. Start your vehicle to confirm everything is working.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.